If you want to change DPI settings on OPPO Find X9, what you can do is, for example, we can open settings and we're gonna start by going to display and brightness. Now over here you should be able to find the screen zoom option, or display size actually. And in here we have three options: large, standard, and small, which allow you to change the size of all elements that you have on the screen. But besides that, we can manually adjust the screen size, but in order to do so, first we need to enable developer options. So we're gonna go to About Device, then choose Version, and keep tapping on version number until you need to enter the screen lock password, and then you will see an information that you are now a developer. So after that, we're gonna go back to Settings, choose System and Update, and then over here go to Developer Options. Now in here we can scroll down until you find the smallest width option, which should be up here. So in this case, the smaller the number is, the bigger the element or all elements are on the screen, the bigger the screen is. So for example, I think the limit is actually 320 in the case of the biggest UI. So if I type 200, it will probably want to change. Yeah, there we go, we have 320. But the bigger the number is, the smaller the screen will be. So if I type, let's say 600, this screen will be extra small. Of course, you want to be careful with these numbers. You don't want to use too high numbers because it can mess things up, and it might be difficult or maybe even impossible to use the phone if you actually use a really high number. So always be careful with these options. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.